Hi everyone, it's Kenny. Today I'll be giving you a video about freestyle tips or tips that have helped me to freestyle just a little bit better. So I hope you can follow along and take these tips and the world is your oyster. Right? And dance. I suggest getting a book or a manual where you can refer to pole dance moves. So basically anything where you can just write down a whole bunch of moves. So here I just have a list of pole spins. So that's a blank page. This says advanced moves, but let's backtrack, right? Intermediate moves, beginner moves, okay? So let's say I wanted to dance right now, right? I'm gonna take it easy. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. I want something nice and simple, a nice chill flow. So let's say in my freestyle, I'm going to include a fireman spin, a back hook spin, and then and a pirouette. Okay. In this freestyle, if you're a beginner, just start with some spins. I would start with, as a beginner, I would start with a fireman, a back hook spin, and a pirouette. And I'll just try to put those in different orders, different levels, and see how I feel about that. So this is what that would look like. Also, if you are looking for some pole grip, here I have PolePoised Hand Grip Aid. Just put a little bit, not too much. Okay. Pat your hands dry, and then maybe just put some onto the pole. Just so we're not just sliding all over the place. So let's say the music is playing and I'm starting or preparing to dance. I'm gonna walk, because walking is more or less fairly attainable. Maybe as a fireman spin, bring it down, fall back, and add a pirouette. And then arch it up. Okay. Another example of that. I'm walking, add a pirouette spin, back hook spin, step it through, switch directions, fireman spin, down to the ground. All right, let's try that again. Let's see, let's start with the back hook spin, okay? So I'm walking, back hook spin, down to the floor, pop it up, pirouette, fireman spin, and bring it up. The purpose of me demonstrating that is, even if you have 3 basic moves, you can put them in any order. You can put them at different levels, also different speeds, kind of, and maybe just add a walk in between to add some spice, okay? As a beginner, if you're like, I don't know what to do in a freestyle, ah! Now, if you're a little bit more advanced, beginner, intermediate, and up, if you're deciding to freestyle, again, choose a spin, maybe 1 or 2, not 3, not too many, or just 1 good spin, and then maybe choose some tricks that you feel comfortable doing. So for example, I would include a climb. Let's see how that works. A climb, a fan kick, and there's so many moves in pole, it's ridiculous. And a sit. Okay, again. What was the spin again? I don't remember the spin. Okay, let's just say pirouette because I don't even remember the spin. So pirouette, a fan kick, and a pole sit. Music is playing. Start with your walk. Da 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 da. Pirouette. Turn into the pole. Fan kick. Do 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 do. Sits. And bring it up. Let's try it again. Do 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 do. Starting with your walk. Fan kick. Sit, pirouette. I'm hoping this makes a little bit of sense, more or less. So you can just choose any moves. Keep it small, 3 to 5. You don't want to overwhelm yourself. And just put them in different orders, different levels, and just see how you feel again. Another tip while freestyling that I suggest, especially if you want to perform or compete or dance on stage or whatever, try to work on your face. Try to work on your facials, like your expressions. So, I mean, right now I'm here in my apartment. I don't have any mirrors, but I'm just looking at the camera. So, basically, if I'm dancing, I try to imagine I'm dancing for someone. Feel like, oh, where would I want to look? Like, how you want to look? Down and up, to the side, over the shoulder, movement, little articulation things just to keep in mind and think about. So when it's time for a competition, you're not trying to figure out those things then, okay? It's a very stressful time if you've ever competed, just letting you know. But these are some tips I have for freestyling. If you find this video helpful, please let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, shoot me DMs or whatever, and I'll see you soon. Bye.